This is a video description for Edwards 379 on a lot of 37 digital cameras. I'm going to give a quick description of all of these. First up, we've got a Sony CyberShot 10.1 megapixels DSC W180. Looks to be in decent condition. Next we've got a Kodak 12.2 megapixel EasyShare M341. Looks like it's in decent condition. We've got a Coolpix by Nikon, an S6. Looks to be good. We've got a Kodak. Let's see. Kodak SUCF. Looks to be in alright condition. We've got a Sony CyberShot 8.1 megapixel DSC W150. We've got a Olympus 7.1 megapixel Stylus 750. Looks like it's got a crack on the screen there. Let's see. Nikon Coolpix. This is in S6000. Looks to be in decent condition. A Sony CyberShot model DSC T50, 7.2 megapixels. Looks to be okay. The screen's a little dirty and it looks like the zoom button is a little bit coming apart. Everything else looks okay. This is a Lumix. Let's see, this is a Lumix, Panasonic Lumix DMC FX7. Looks to be in okay condition, and that was don't know the megapixels on that one. Nope. We've got another Panasonic Lumix. Looks like the lens cover's a little messed up on this one. This is a DMC TZ3. We've got a Sony CyberShot 10.1. Screen looks alright on this one, scratched up a little bit. DSC W170. And we've got a Casio Exaslim 10.1 megapixels by Casio EXZ1000. We've got a Nikon Coolpix S610. Looks to be in okay condition. Sony CyberShot DSC T10. Looks to be alright. Sony CyberShot 8.1 megapixel DSC W90. Some heavy scratches, but okay condition on this. We've got a Nikon Coolpix S210. Looks a little dirty, but not too bad. We've got a Casio Exaslim 8.1 megapixels. Model is EXZ80 on here. Looks to be okay. 5 megapixel Sony CyberShot here with DSC T1. Looks to be okay condition. A Canon PowerShot SD 750 with 7.1 megapixels on it. Looks to be in decent condition. In Optio by Pentax. Let's see here. Optio S5i. And this is it's got some heavy scratches, but looks to be okay otherwise. Kodak 5 megapixel here. This is a EasyShare V550. Looks alright. Another Nikon Coolpix. This is an L22. The screen does look completely broken on this one. Nothing else notable. We've got another Kodak. This is a Kodak EasyShare C13, and this as well seems to have a broken screen on it. Let's see here. Everything else looks alright. Panasonic Lumix DMC TZ3. It actually looks like one of the screen guards is missing on here. It's very bright. Other than that, it's alright. Canon PowerShot SD300 here. Looks to be in okay condition. Here's a 7.1 megapixel Canon PowerShot A560. Looks to be in okay condition. Sony CyberShot with let's see, DSC T1, 5 megapixels. Looks to be alright. We've got a Canon PowerShot SD600 with 6 megapixels. Some heavy scratches on the screen, but it seems to be alright. Lens is a bit messed up on that one too. Kinda shaky on there. Alright, we've got an Olympus FE20 8 megapixel digital camera. Looks like about the same problem with the lens there. Little lens problems. Screen has one small scratch on it. Okay. We've got a Nikon Coolpix S3 digital camera. Looks to be okay. It's got a Canon PowerShot S410, 4 megapixels. A Casio XLM, another one of these guys. Let's see, model number on there is EXZ60. Kodak M853, 8.2 megapixels, and that is an EasyShare. Looks like another issue with the screen on this one. Got a Kodak EasyShare DX6440, 4 megapixels. Not too bad on this. We've got apparently a tape recorder in the pile. This is a Sony. This is a Sony microcassette quarter M-100MC. Looks to be okay. A bigger camera here. This is a Minolta. Let's see here. It's a Konica Minolta camera. Don't see a model number on this one. It looks to be in okay condition. And then finally I've got a rather large Sony digital Mavica 1.3 megapixel camera, MVC FD88. This looks to be alright. It actually records via floppies. A little nostalgia there. And that's everything. We've also got, let's see here, we've also got a couple accessories for these guys. Just kind of what's in the pile. Kodak Easy Share dock for $6,000. Just a couple docks, a couple memory cards, a couple battery chargers, remote. But that's everything we've got for our 37 lot of digital cameras. Thanks for tuning in. Bye bye.